What's up, guys? Trying out a new spot today. I've never been here. I'm gonna find some nice holes out here. Hook into some flounder, some reds or some trout or something. So here we go, new spot. See what happens. Fished about 2.5 hours of the outgoing. When I start heading back, it'll be low tide. Just got off work about 3:30 p.m. I took my kayak to work with me this morning and try to save a little time. That way I don't have to drive all the way home and then drive all the way back here, because I literally work just right down the street. So it makes sense for me to bring the kayak with me. I even took bait with me to work this morning. I had mud minnows left over from Saturday. A lot bigger water than what I'm used to. I usually just fish in little creeks, you know, little narrow creeks. I don't come out into these big rivers like this very often. When I was looking on Google Maps, and I seen some nice thin creeks back up in here, I'm gonna try those out. It's more of just a recon trip, you know. Try to get the feel for this area. If I can find where the fish are hiding. I might have to consult my Google Maps because I forget where that creek was. Alrighty, looks like I'm heading the right way. Keep on keeping on. Hey. Well, I was going to show it to the camera, but dropped him. Shallow here, man. It's only like a foot deep. I need to find a fucking creek with a deep hole in it.